show that we have introduced the Sango Festival Committee for 2024. And it's going to be the first one, the inaugural one, after Sango was enlisted last year. Second reason, as fate will have it, coincidentally, sir, today is World Culture Day.
The festival not only concerns Sango, it concerns other Orishas, heritage, culture, and that is what people want to see.
Àkọ́kọ́ lọ́kọ̀ lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ gómìnà wa tó jẹ́ aṣíwájú fún ìlú Ọ̀yọ́. Àsìkò wọn yìí ìlú òde gbóná mọ́ wọn. Ọ̀run òní nà wọ́n. Tẹ́ ẹ ti ń ṣe ti ń rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Àìní mọ̀ sí mọ́ ìrùnmọ̀lù níjọ́ tọ́ sí wọn. Ìrùnmọ̀lù níjọ́ tọ́ sí wọn. Ọmọ ẹni ayé ẹni láyé fi ń náyà kò ní fi wọ́n nà wọ́n. Kò ní fi wọ́n nà wọ́n. Wọ́n máa ṣe ọlá rí òkè òkè lọ́lé rí lọ òkè òkè wọ́n máa lọ.
Sango Festival that is coming will be embraced by the administration. So gladly to know that Sango Festival has been listed by the UNESCO. So it has become a world-class festival. Coincidentally now, today is a World Culture Day. And these are cultural